Still don't know how this works. This shit looks so aggressive now. Would I recommend getting the Mac lifter kit for your car? Honestly, alright, what's up you guys? Today we're gonna be fixing the #1 problem with this car, which is gonna be this thing right here. So I don't know if you guys have a first gen or looking into getting a getting a first gen, but if you guys have not ran into this problem already, it's bound to come up. I mean, as you can see, it already sticks out. It just doesn't stay. We're gonna be fixing it with this Mac lifter kit. All right, so this problem literally happens as soon as you take off your bumper for the very first time. Your bumper's virginity gets absolutely demolished.
Say virginity?
Yeah, but yeah, basically, if you try and put your bumper back on, it doesn't work. And it's because the clips on the bumper suck. And Subaru and Toyota have came up with a fix with it. And you can get plastic clips that go over the OEM. You just use epoxy to reinforce it. And it works, I guess. But like you saw, we're gonna be putting on the Mac lifter kit to strengthen it further. Ow! Fuck! Okay, so as you can see, we have different hardware. These right here, these thin ones, are gonna go on the actual bumper. It's gonna replace the tabs on here, so that way the rigidity is there. I don't know which way it goes. And this one goes on the actual bumper itself. Somehow, we're gonna figure it out. Let's go ahead and do that. Update, while Andrew was working on the other side, I wanted to try and figure out how to wire up the headlight DRLs because these didn't turn on. It was just my bottom ones. If you guys have a 2016 Subaru BRZ, this is for you. This harness for the headlight, if you look at this single harness right here, this is for your DRL. I believe this is only for the BRZ'S. I don't know. The harnesses are all different for each car, but if you have a 2016 BRZ, this is your DRL. So I ran a wire from here, and then it goes over to the harness down here. This brown wire is your DRL wiring, so I tapped into here. And basically, it takes power from the DRL, which would normally turn on here when you turn on your car and put the parking brake down. It's basically running and powering the DRL for the headlight when it normally shouldn't. So basically, again, it powers it on, and it also runs to the other side. I didn't know that, but we found out when we were testing it. So check this out. It literally works.
This is without the headlights on. The headlight switch in the car is off right now. Both of them turn on. So this will run during the day. Put the handbrake up, handbrake down. That's pretty crazy.
So everything's done now. Waited for the epoxy to dry for a little bit. Hopefully it was enough time. Still don't know how this works. We tried figuring it out, but we're just gonna try putting it on and see what happens. So watch us struggle. All right, so it's the next day. It's been about almost 12 hours since we put on the epoxy onto the car. And I mean, I'm kind of worried still that it's going to come off because, I mean, even though they're bonded, it's like still not the greatest. I have the bumper here ready to go back onto the car. So hope it works out. So let's see.
A few moments later.
All right, so that's the car now as it sits. I'm so excited to drive the car again now. It looks so good. Would I recommend getting the Mac lifter kit for your car? Honestly, yes, if you have bumper sag. To make this gapping a lot better, it makes it look a lot more OEM-like, and it makes it look a lot cleaner because it looks like the bumper was never even taken off. So would I recommend it for that? Yes. It is like $200 for both the bumper clips and for the piece for the fender to help hold it better. If you don't need it, wouldn't really recommend it. But if you do have a problem where the bumper is sagging a decent amount, it does help it. Like, not gonna lie. So yeah, do what you will with that information, but it just looks more put together now. The car doesn't look like it's falling apart. I don't look like a takeover car. But the thing I was kind of most excited for, not gonna lie, was just the DRLs. I mean, just look at this thing. Oh, jeez. This thing looks so good with the DRLs. You got the boomerangs plus the one down here. This shit looks so aggressive now. Yeah, Everything's now working. I think that's gonna wrap up today's video. Hopefully you liked the install and the little tips. If you like the build progress and love to see everything that we're doing for the car, go ahead and subscribe. We'll be adding more stuff to the car. We have big updates with Andrew's car coming up as well. Things are kind of getting finalized, waiting on a couple of things, but hopefully his car will be back very soon. So subscribe for that as well if you want to see the GR86 build. But in the meantime, it's just my car. So hopefully you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you next time. Oh, I forgot to do the transition, bro.